Let us solve this trigonometry sum. Solve the equation sin 2x plus 3 cos 2x equal to 0 for x lies between 0 and 180. You need to find the values of x satisfying this particular condition, and x value should lie between 0 and 180. Clear with the question? You need to find the values of x lies between this satisfying this particular equation. Okay. To solve this trigonometric equation, there are two trigonometric ratios are present, sine and cos. To solve any trigonometric ratio, you should make sure that only one trigonometric ratio is present. When two are present, I make them into one. How? See here. I send cos 2x to the other side. When this entire thing shifts to the other side, it will become minus 3 cos 2x. Okay. Now divide by cos 2x on both sides. So by cos 2x by cos 2x. So these two cancel out. Okay. Now sine by cos is tan. Here it is 2x, so you will also get 2x over here, equal to, the other side is minus 3. Okay. Now tan we got negative. So out of the four quadrants, where all is tan negative? It's all silver tea cups. So tan is negative over here and in this quadrant. Okay. Now to get an angle in this quadrant, I need to do 180 minus. So 2x equal to 180 minus tan inverse of only this number, not with the sign. Sign only helps you to select the quadrant. Once quadrant is selected, you should not take again minus 3 over here. Remember that point. Next, to get an angle in the fourth quadrant, you should do 360 minus tan inverse 3. Okay. So now 2x equal to, if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 108.4, comma. If you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 288.4. These are the values of 2x, but you are trying to find the values of x that you could get if you divide by 2 throughout. So by 2 and by 2. So that will give me x equal to 54.2 comma 144.1. Okay. These are the two values satisfying the given equation. One more thing. How do you make sure that only two values of x satisfies this? There could be more. To be sure of that, we need to see here. Here which value do you have? You have 2x. Here you have x. X lies between 0 and 180. Then you need to see in what interval does 2x lies. So multiply by 2 to this thing. So I get 0 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 360. If you take 2x values lying between 0 to 360, automatically x values will lie between 0 and 180. Here you check, 2x values lies between till 360 is the highest. I have not taken other value for 2x. I stopped over there. Okay.